CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.4, Compare and contrast authentication, authorization, accounting and non-repudiation concepts. Non-repudiation. In simple terms, non-repudiation is a safeguard that guarantees individuals or entities involved in a digital transaction cannot later refute or deny their participation or the legitimacy of their actions. Think of it this way: imagine you're sending a handwritten letter to a friend. Once it's sent, you'd want concrete assurance that you indeed sent the letter and, equally important, that your friend received it. You would want proof that eliminates any room for doubt or denial from either side. Now, translate that scenario to the digital realm. In online transactions, communications, or any digital interaction, non-repudiation serves as this binding assurance. It's the digital equivalent of that undeniable proof, ensuring that parties involved can't backtrack or dispute their involvement or the validity of their actions. It's a foundational principle that upholds trust and accountability. Now, how does non-repudiation tie into authentication? Authentication verifies the identity of a user, ensuring that you are who you claim to be. Once authenticated, any action you take, like sending an email or signing a digital document, can be tied back to you. Non-repudiation ensures that once these actions are taken, they cannot be denied later. But what about accounting? We've previously discussed how accounting in IT is about tracking user activities and system events. Non-repudiation adds a layer of trust to this tracking. It ensures that the recorded logs of actions, whether it's accessing a file or making a transaction, are undeniable. It's the assurance that the digital footprints left behind are genuine and can't be refuted. So what are some of the tools and methods that reinforce non-repudiation? Well, we have video. In scenarios where visual confirmation is essential, video recordings can serve as undeniable evidence. Think of video calls where agreements are made and decisions are finalized. The recorded footage stands as proof of the conversation, ensuring participants can't later deny what was discussed. Or what about biometrics? One of the most personal and unique identifiers we possess are our biometric traits, like fingerprints or retina scans. When used in transactions, they offer a high level of non-repudiation. It's hard to argue against a fingerprint match or a facial recognition hit. Then there are signatures. Digital signatures, or their ink counterparts, are unique to individuals. When you sign a document, you're providing a seal of approval that's hard to refute. It's a commitment that the content is endorsed by you and hasn't been tampered with. And lastly, we have receipts. Ever received a delivery confirmation for an email or a message? That's a form of non-repudiation. It confirms that the message was not only sent but also received by the intended party, leaving no room for denial. In conclusion, non-repudiation is the backbone of trust in the digital world. It's not just about preventing denial, it's about fostering trust, accountability, and transparency in our digital interactions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.